Do you want to know one of my favorite parts about this office? Everything is so well organized. If I'm like, I need an XQD card for this specific camera that we're shooting, boom, organized, found. If I'm like, hey, we're shooting a bowling video and I need a bowling pin, bowling pins. Now we got it sorted out. This is a great segue into talking about one of the most overlooked parts of the process when it comes to creating a video: data management and folder structure. And I show you how to do that today in Premiere Pro. So this is gonna work both for Mac and PC, so it's either an Explorer window or a Finder window, so let's open that up. I'm gonna show you my folder structure for every single project. First, I start with an asset folder, and within that asset folder, I have 5 subfolders. One for overlays, bars, motion graphics, photos, and screen recordings, as these are the most commonly used amongst all our projects. You can add more if you want, but these are my recommended 5. Next, we'll create an audio folder, and within that, we'll have 2 subfolders, one for music and one for sound effects. Now we'll create an export folders, one for drafts and one for final. Next, you're gonna create a footage folder, and this is where you're gonna list all the cameras that you used on that project. In my most common use cases, I have A7R III, DJI Osmo Action, drone, iPhone, etc. You understand. The next subfolder will be for photos. I like to break it up into RAWs, edited, final exports, and LR catalog. The next folder is projects, and within that we have a few subfolders. The first one is Premiere Pro project files, and within that I also highly recommend that you have autosave project files turned on so you have all your backups. Please have that on and make sure there's a folder for it. You can also include any other project files within this folder here. This is also a great segue into Premiere Pro bin management. Let's jump in there. I'll keep this quick and let me tell you how I list this out. First off is footage broken up into Sony, DJI, Red, etc. Next is assets. So this is anything that isn't footage that's captured on set that acts as supplemental footage to drive the story. The next bin is audio. This is where you'll include sound effects, music, voiceovers, etc. Anything that's audio related lives here. Sequences. You're gonna start with your selects, then you're gonna have V1, V2, V3, V19. Whatever your project ends up being, this is where all your sequences live. Let me tell you how I organize my timeline. So let's take a look at Premiere Pro here. So we have V1 plus A1. This is usually your main talking parts of the video and the audio that's attached to it. Now V2 and A2 equal the supplement, B-roll, and sound effects. V3 will usually be my color grade. V4 will then end up being the graphics and the motion graphics / photos and overlays. A3 is usually the music bed, and A4 is usually room tone / ambient noise and any other supplement audio that you need for your project. Now, once you have your selects, I would highly recommend that you color code everything just so you can visually understand your project better. For example, A-roll is purple and B-roll is pink. Now you can also go up here to preferences and then labels and customize the naming of each label color, set custom colors, and then set defaults for different types of media for all your Premiere Pro projects. This makes it easier to keep track of your project, especially when you have multiple eyes on it. For a long time, organization was never a priority for me, mainly because it's just not fun. You always just want to jump right into the edit and you're like, let's get started, let's get creative. But it actually makes you more creative if you're organized, especially if a client comes back to you a year later and is like, hey, where's that file? You don't want to be like, duh, where did I put it? That's past Chris. Don't be like past Chris, be like future Chris, who is highly organized and can find everything that he needs, which makes him more creative. We all want more time, money, and less stress in our lives, so make sure data management is a priority for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please press like. It actually makes a difference. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for future videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Here's a quick ASMR outro. Organization.